The mass-to-density interactive calculator solves a fundamental engineering problem we face daily, converting between mass, volume, density, and specific gravity. Whether you're designing pressure vessels, calculating material requirements, or verifying fluid properties, this tool handles the conversions instantly. Let's explore the interface. The calculation mode dropdown offers 5 options: calculate density, calculate mass, calculate volume, calculate specific gravity, and calculate mass from specific gravity. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Density. Next, we have the mass input field, with units including kilograms, grams, milligrams, pounds, ounces, and metric tons. The volume field accepts cubic meters, cubic centimeters, cubic millimeters, liters, milliliters, cubic feet, cubic inches, and US gallons. The density field displays results in kilograms per cubic meter, grams per cubic centimeter, pounds per cubic foot, or kilograms per liter. There's also a specific gravity field that calculates relative to water at 4 degrees Celsius, and an optional temperature input with Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin options. Let me demonstrate with a practical example. I'm calculating the density of hydraulic oil in a reservoir. I'll enter 850 kilograms for mass and select kilograms from the dropdown. For volume, I'll input 1,000 and select liters. After clicking Calculate, the density appears as 850 kilograms per cubic meter, or 0.85 grams per cubic centimeter. The specific gravity shows 0.85, confirming this oil is lighter than water. These outputs tell you material properties essential for pump selection, buoyancy calculations, and system design. The specific gravity helps compare fluids quickly. Remember, always verify your unit consistency before calculating. Mixing metric and imperial units is the most common error. Find the link in the description below.